Manifesting your desires quickly isn't about waiting for them to magically appear. It's about aligning your energy, thoughts, and actions with what you want to bring into your life. The powerful tools of affirmations, visualization, and understanding the law of attraction can help you speed up the manifestation process. Let's explore how you can use these techniques to manifest your desires faster. Affirmations are powerful tools that reprogram your subconscious mind, helping you to align your thoughts with your desires. By speaking positive affirmations regularly, you reinforce your belief that what you want is already on its way. The key to manifesting quickly is to be consistent with your affirmations. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and are aligned with your goals. For example, if you're manifesting wealth, you could say, "I am attracting abundance into my life every day." Speak these affirmations with conviction and belief. Make sure your affirmations are in the present tense. Instead of saying, "I will have," say, "I am," or "I have." This shifts your mindset into the energy of already having what you desire, which helps speed up the manifestation process. Visualization is one of the most effective techniques to manifest your desires quickly. When you vividly imagine what you want, you create a powerful mental image that aligns your energy with the frequency of your desires. The more detailed and vivid your visualizations are, the stronger your connection to them becomes. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and imagine your desire as if it has already manifested. Feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. If you're manifesting a new job, visualize yourself in your new office, feeling confident and fulfilled. Let the emotions of success, happiness, and gratitude wash over you. These feelings are the key to accelerating your manifestations because they align you with the high-frequency vibrations needed to attract what you desire. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. Your thoughts and emotions send out vibrations into the universe, and the universe responds by bringing you experiences that match those vibrations. To manifest your desires quickly, you need to be in the energy of abundance, love, or whatever aligns with your desires. Start by raising your vibration through gratitude, joy, and positive thoughts. The more you can stay in a high-frequency state, the quicker your desires will manifest. Focus on feeling good, as the universe responds to the energy you're emitting. Take inspired action when the opportunities arise. The law of attraction is not just about sitting back and waiting, it's about recognizing the signs and taking aligned action. As you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you create a powerful flow that speeds up the manifestation process. One of the secrets to manifesting your desires quickly is trust. Trust that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring your desires to you. Even if you can't see immediate results, know that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. The universe works in mysterious ways, and often, things need to fall into place before your desires can manifest. Trust that your desires are already on their way, and don't let impatience or doubt interfere with your belief. Stay aligned with your goal, and take inspired action when needed. The more you trust, the quicker your desires will come to you. To manifest your desires quickly, you must maintain a focused, positive mindset. Negative thoughts and doubts will slow down your progress, so it's important to reframe any limiting beliefs that come up. Whenever you feel fear or doubt, replace those thoughts with empowering ones. Staying focused on your goal means directing your energy towards what you want, not what you don't want. Keep your thoughts on the positive outcomes, and watch as the universe brings you the circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with your desires. Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to speed up your manifestation process. When you practice gratitude, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Gratitude shifts your energy into one of abundance and appreciation, attracting more of what you desire. Each day, take a moment to express gratitude for the things you already have, as well as the things you are manifesting. This will raise your vibration and signal to the universe that you're ready for more. The more grateful you are, the faster your desires will manifest. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about understanding the energy behind your desires. Every thought, emotion, and action you take sends out a frequency into the universe. Your energy must match the energy of what you want to manifest. This is why maintaining a high frequency is so important. When you set an intention, make sure it is accompanied by positive energy. Whether it's joy, love, or excitement, these high vibration emotions help speed up the manifestation process. Your energy needs to be in alignment with the object of your desire. For instance, if you are manifesting wealth, you need to feel abundant already. The universe responds to that energy, bringing your desires closer. Your energy is not just limited to your thoughts. Your environment, your actions, and even the people you interact with can influence your frequency. Surround yourself with positive influences, and take action that aligns with your goals. If you want to attract love, for example, do things that make you feel loved and appreciated, and your energy will radiate that vibration, speeding up your manifestation. To maintain your energy, practice daily habits that elevate your frequency. Meditation, exercising, spending time in nature, and even practicing mindfulness can help you stay aligned with the energy you want to attract. Consistency in these practices will help you keep your energy aligned with your desires, accelerating the manifestation process. One of the most important steps in manifesting your desires quickly is letting go of resistance. Resistance often comes in the form of doubt, fear, or impatience. These negative emotions block the flow of energy and slow down the manifestation process. To release resistance, you need to cultivate trust in the universe and its timing. The more you trust that what you want is already on its way, the less you will resist. If you find yourself feeling anxious or impatient, take a moment to breathe deeply and refocus on the positive feelings you associate with your desire. Trust that everything is unfolding perfectly. Another way to let go of resistance is by releasing attachment to the outcome. Often, we cling too tightly to a specific outcome, which creates resistance. Instead, focus on the feelings you want to experience, not the exact way it will manifest. Letting go of attachment opens the door to greater possibilities and allows the universe to bring your desires to you in ways you may not have anticipated. Daily affirmations of trust can also help dissolve resistance. Phrases like, "I trust the process of the universe," and "I am open to receiving my desires in the best way possible," can rewire your mindset and remove any blocks that are hindering the manifestation process. Letting go of resistance is key to manifesting faster. Manifestation requires more than just positive thinking and visualization, it requires action. Once you've set your intention and aligned your energy, you must take inspired action towards your goals. Inspired action is different from forced action, it's the action that feels right and aligned with your desires. The universe responds to the energy you put out, but it also responds to the steps you take towards your goal. For example, if you are manifesting a new job, you may need to update your resume, apply for positions, or network with others in your field. These actions show the universe that you are serious about your desire and willing to meet it halfway. Taking action also shows the universe that you are ready to receive. When you actively work towards your goals, you signal to the universe that you are prepared to receive what you desire. The more action you take, the faster you will see results. However, be sure that the action you take feels inspired and not forced, as forced action can create resistance. Manifestation is a co-creation process. The universe will meet you halfway, but you must also take steps toward your goals. Combining positive thoughts, high vibration energy, and inspired action will significantly speed up your manifestation process. Self-doubt is one of the biggest obstacles to manifesting your desires quickly. When you doubt your ability to manifest, you lower your vibration and send out mixed signals to the universe. To manifest faster, you must overcome these feelings of self-doubt and believe in your power. The first step in overcoming self-doubt is recognizing it. Acknowledge the negative thoughts that arise and challenge them. Instead of thinking, "I'm not worthy of this," replace it with, "I am worthy of everything I desire." Reaffirm your worthiness by repeating positive affirmations and focusing on the things you've already manifested in your life. Another powerful tool in overcoming self-doubt is visualization. By consistently visualizing your desires as already manifested, you rewire your mind to accept them as reality. The more you can see your desires coming true, the less space there will be for doubt. Over time, this practice will build your confidence and help you trust in your ability to manifest anything you desire. Surrounding yourself with supportive people and affirming your dreams aloud can also help dissolve self-doubt. Find people who believe in you, or at least support your growth and success. Their positive energy will help reinforce your own belief in yourself and your ability to manifest your desires. Overcoming self-doubt is essential to manifesting your desires quickly. Manifesting from a place of abundance is crucial to attracting your desires faster. Abundance is a mindset, and when you focus on abundance, the universe responds by giving you more to be abundant about. Instead of thinking in terms of lack or scarcity, shift your focus to the abundance already present in your life. Start by practicing gratitude for the things you already have. Appreciate the small things, whether it's a warm cup of coffee in the morning, a loving family, or your health. This gratitude will shift your focus away from what you lack and towards the abundance that already exists around you. Visualizing abundance is another powerful tool. Imagine your life overflowing with the things you desire: money, love, health, and happiness. See yourself living in the abundance you are calling into your life. This feeling of abundance attracts more of the same and speeds up the manifestation process. Avoid thoughts of scarcity, such as worrying that there is not enough to go around. The universe operates on the law of abundance, and when you align with this energy, you'll find that everything you need is already on its way. Manifesting from a place of abundance ensures that you attract what you want quickly and easily. One of the most powerful things you can do to manifest your desires quickly is to let the universe handle the details. Often, we get caught up in how our desires will manifest, trying to control every step of the process. This need for control can slow down the manifestation process. Instead, once you've set your intention, aligned your energy, and taken inspired action, step back and trust that the universe will bring your desires to you in the most perfect way. Focus on the feelings and the end result, and let the universe work out the details. The universe has an infinite number of ways to deliver what you want, and trying to micromanage the process can interfere with the flow of manifestation. Letting go of control means trusting in the unknown and surrendering to the process. It also means not attaching to any specific outcome. When you detach from the how and when, you open yourself up to limitless possibilities and allow the universe to surprise you with the ways your desires will manifest. By letting the universe handle the details, you allow for a quicker, smoother manifestation process. Trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, and know that your desires are on their way to you in the best possible way. Manifesting your desires quickly is all about aligning your energy with your intentions and taking inspired action. Using powerful tools like affirmations, visualization, and understanding the law of attraction, combined with maintaining a positive mindset, can dramatically speed up your manifestations. By focusing on abundance, letting go of resistance, and trusting the universe, you open the doors to quicker manifestation. Trust the process, remain patient, and stay consistent in your practices. The more aligned you are with your desires, the faster they will come to you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on manifesting your dreams and harnessing the power of the universe to create the life you desire. Stay aligned and keep manifesting your dreams, because they are already on their way.